Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials: order number, email confirmation, and access to your Yesstyle account. First, open the Yesstyle app or website and sign in. Once logged in, navigate to Orders or Purchase History and tap the specific order. This reveals basic shipping info and any provided tracking number. If there's no tracking shown, check the confirmation email. Sometimes Yesstyle sends a separate tracking code there. Make sure you note the carrier name along with the tracking number before moving on. Once you have the tracking number and carrier, click the carrier's tracking link in Yesstyle or copy the code. Paste it into the carrier's official tracking page to get the most accurate updates. If Yesstyle lists only a logistic partner, try a universal tracker like 17Track or Parcel Monitor for cross-carrier status. Also check international stages, departure scans, customs clearance, transit to local carrier. Understanding each scan helps you estimate delivery windows and decide if escalation is track until delivery scans show out for delivery or delivered. If status stops updating, contact the carrier with your tracking number first because local scans can lag. Once you've tried the carrier, message Yesstyle support with order ID, tracking code, and screenshots. Request an investigation or refund. If the tracking hasn't changed, wait 48 to 72 hours. Small delays are common. Then escalate with evidence. This two-step approach speeds resolution and preserves your claim options if the parcel is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.